splishing and splashing and giving a scrub. Soap bubbles rising, pop in the air. One little duck has shampoo in her hair. Rubadubdub, what a bath time show. Quack quack laughs in a bubbly glow. Duckies giggle, tails go swish. Bath time's their favorite dish. Rubadubdub with a rubbery whale. He sprays water like a misty tail. Toes go wiggle and feathers flap. Ducks wear bubbles like a cozy cap. Rubadubdub, what a bath time show. Quack quack laughs in a bubbly glow. Duckies giggle, tails go swish. Bath time's their favorite dish. The tub became a pirate ship with spongy sails and a soap bar dip. They sailed the seas of bathtub land with bubbles crashing near the sand. Rubadubdub, the sun says night. Towels are warm and jammies are right. Snuggle soft from head to toe. Rubadub dreams begin to flow. Sing along with kids. Tiny turtle woke up slow. Pitter patter, raindrops flow. Splish, splash, puddles on the way. What a fun and rainy day. Splash, splash, splish in the rain. Tiny turtles happy again. Jump and twirl, laugh and play. Dancing on a rainy day. Tiny wore his yellow boots. Found his shiny puddle suits. Waddled out to splash and spin with a giggle and a grin. Splash, splash, splish in the rain. Tiny turtles happy again. Jump and twirl, laugh and play. Dancing on a rainy day. Little frogs sang ribbit tunes. Umbrellas floated like balloons. Tiny clapped and spun around while raindrops made a singing sound. Splash, splash, splish in the rain. Tiny turtles happy again. Jump and twirl, laugh and play. Hooray for a rainy day. Sing along with kids. Down by the river in the morning light, ducklings dance with all their might. Waddle left and waddle right. Flap your wings and take a flight. Quack, quack, spin around. Tiny feet tap on the ground. Shake your feathers, jump up high. Dancing ducklings touch the sky. Tiny beaks go tap, tap, tap. Little tails go flap, flap, flap. Round they go in a happy race, smiling wide on every face. Quack, quack, spin around. Tiny feet tap on the ground. Shake your feathers, jump up high. Dancing ducklings touch the sky. Splash in puddles, hop on rocks. Sing with the river, tick-tock tocks. Happy little ducklings sway, dancing through a sunny day. Quack, quack, spin around. Tiny feet tap on the ground. Shake your feathers, jump up high. Dancing ducklings touch the sky. Dancing ducklings touch the sky. began to spin. Hop, hop, a rainbow flew. Pop, pop, the flowers grew. Twirl, twirl, the stars came down. Bunny's magic hat spun round and round. He wished for sweets, they filled the air. He wished for drums, they beat with flair. A little bird began to sing, while Bunny danced and spun in spring. Hop, hop, a rainbow flew. Pop, pop, the flowers grew. Twirl, twirl, the stars came down. Bunny's magic hat spun round and round. Clouds turned soft like cotton candy. Trees grew lollipops sweet and dandy. Bunny laughed and tapped his toes as magic sparkles kissed his nose. Hop, hop, a rainbow flew. Pop, pop, the flowers grew. Twirl, twirl, the stars came down. Bunny's magic hat spun round and round. Round and round and round. Sing along with kids. A is for alligator, snappy and green. B is for bear with the drumming routine. C is for chimp who claps to the beat. D is for dolphin, splashing her feet. E is for elephant, loud and proud. F is for frog who croaks real loud. G is for giraffe, so tall and sweet. H is for hippo with stompy feet. I is for iguana, chillin' on a tree. J is for jaguar, fast as can be. K is for kangaroo, hopping in line. L is for lion, hear him roar in time. M is for monkey, swinging so high. N is for night owl, hooting in the sky. O is for octopus, waving 8 arms. P is for parrot with colorful charms. Q is for quail, quick on the run. R is for rhino, having some fun. S is for snake with a slithery sound. T is for tiger, bouncing around. U is for urchin, spiky and shy. V is for vulture, soaring up high. W is for wolf with a howling tune. X is for x-ray fish, swimming past the moon. Y is for yak with fuzzy hair. Z is for zebra with stripes to